Hi, my name is Mel Stimson. I am an incoming 1L student at the South Texas College of Law. I currently work in Dallas, Texas at the Obie Law Firm with Emmanuel Obie, the actual creator of Born to Fly. I have a co-worker here, Bizel Banks, and also Attorney Obie himself, who is going to give you an overview of what Born to Fly actually is.
Good morning. Good morning. Let me squeeze in here if I may. Good morning, everybody. We're here in my office just hanging out, having a good time. And we thought that it made sense to put together this video series on the law school process. But before I get into that, let's talk about Born to Fly. Now, Born to Fly is a book that I recently put out, and it's a collection of reflections that I hope to be thought-provoking. But a lot of people are asking me, hey man, what are you really doing with this Born to Fly? What is it really about? Well, Born to Fly really is about a faith-based celebration of just the impervious spirit that we all have within us. That force that lies within us, that calling, that passion, that dream, whatever it is that just wakes us up in the morning and sets us off on our way with a great deal of excitement. But Born to Fly is also about helping those who have demonstrated that Born to Fly spirit, helping them find their wings and helping them really soar to new heights. And I've been just so incredibly blessed that with the opening of my law firm, I now have a platform in which I can bring in young, talented minds like Mel and Bizel and have an opportunity to work with them and have an opportunity to nurture the Born to Fly spirit that they have. Mel here is an incredible, remarkable young man. Just a little over a year ago, he underwent major spinal cord surgery, and as a result, had to reteach himself how to walk. And I can remember watching the video posts and the pictures on Facebook and seeing this young man fight through and struggle through his rehab, which I know was undoubtedly painful, was undoubtedly stressful, and here he is today. When he found out that he was going to law school, he sat me down and he said, listen, Obie, I'm going to law school. I'd like for you to kind of help me, prepare me to go to law school, which I thought was absolutely remarkable. I sat down, I looked at my calendar and I said, listen, Mel, the only time slot that I can really help you is really probably every Saturday morning at 7 a.m. That's the time slot that I can reasonably, regularly guarantee to you. And I was thinking, a young man his age in Dallas, Texas, a big city, Saturday morning, 7 o'clock, is that going to work? Probably not. But I'll tell you what, for the next several weeks, like clockwork, this young man was there every morning, 7 a.m., sometimes 6:30 a.m., calling me, reminding me, just following up with incredible persistence. That is Born to Fly. He's getting ready to go to law school. I know he's going to do great things. We've been working over the last several months preparing. There are others who have been involved in his preparation. He's got an incredible church family at Joy Tabernacle here in Dallas, Texas. A good colleague of mine, Ulysses Waters, has been just a great deal of people who have been pouring into this young man to make sure that he gets to where he's destined to go. On the other hand, we've got my man here, Bizel, who is just graduated from high school in the top of his class. He's on his way to Sam Houston State University. He came to me when I first met him. He said, listen, I'd like to prepare for college. I'd like to get myself ready for the college experience, and I want to do well in college, and I want to do well outside of college. And I said, well, you know what? Both of you, I've got a new firm. I've got a lot of stuff that needs to be done around here. Come work with me. Let's get you ready for college. Let's get you ready for law school. And that's what this Born to Fly is all about. Now, specifically as it relates to the law school series, law school is a very challenging process. And a lot of students have to struggle through it alone. I remember when I was going through it, I struggled through it for the most extent alone. But what we want to provide is just a quick series of videos that touch upon issues like the law school environment, preparing for class, the examination process, just things to give you nuggets to help you get to where you need to get, and that is the top of the class. And that is the essence of Born to Fly. So we hope that you enjoy the video series. It's going to be a little makeshift. I mean, this isn't a Hollywood production. It's going to be us here in my office just hanging out, just trying to give you some good information, but hopefully it'll be helpful. And one final note that I'll leave you with, whether you're a law student, whether you're a college student, whether you're a business owner, whether you're just pursuing your dream in whatever context that is, always remember that you were born to fly. And what does that mean? That means that there is a special God-given purpose for your life. There is a calling that only you can satisfy. Don't ever let anybody discourage you. Don't ever be discouraged. Keep pushing, find your wings, and soar to new heights. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
So there you have it. We'll see you in the next video where we go over the basics. Like Attorney Obi said, the environment of law school, the preparation into going from undergrad to law school, and also the famous Socratic method. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.